nouns and the two types of nouns, that is singular and plural. Now, first of all, we will have to come across what is the meaning of nouns. So, you have studied in the first standard, but still, do you know what is nouns? Let's learn what is noun. Now, everything around us and the things which we can see, we cannot see, has a name. Suppose I am holding this thing. So, do you know what is this? You know, right? This is a chalk. Likewise, I am also holding this thing. You know what is this? You know, right? The name of this thing is book. So, nouns are naming words. So, each and everything has a name. And the name can be of any different thing. Name of things like chalk, book, then name of a person. Now you have a name, right? What is your name? Right. So name of a person. Then if I ask you कि मैं आपको पूछूं कि आप कहाँ पे रहते हो, then what you will answer? You will say, I am living in Rajkot. मैं राजकोट में रहता हूँ, यानी कि name of place. राजकोट एक place हुई कि नहीं? That's why name of place, name of things, person, places. So everything we can see has a name of own, and we know the thing by its name. Now, what is this? In which I am writing? On which I am writing? This is a what? This is a blackboard. So it also has a name. So nouns are mainly a naming words by which we call different things. So we learn what is noun. Now there are two types of nouns. How many types of nouns are there? There are two types of noun. What is the first? Singular. And the second type of noun is plural. So now we will learn what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Now, do you know what is singular noun? हिंदी में कहूँ तो singular यानी कि एक वचन. So, whenever you are talking about only one thing, then that noun is singular. So how many things you are talking about? Only one thing. So whenever you are talking about only one thing, that is a singular noun. Is that clear? So if I am talking about this chalk, now this chalk is only one chalk, right? So this is the chalk is a singular noun. Now if I say that you have one glass, then the glass is singular noun. Why? Because the glass is only one. Okay? So whenever you are talking about only one thing, that noun is called as singular noun. उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Singular noun. Now we will come to the second type of noun. What is that? is the second type of noun. That is a plural noun. Now, what is a plural noun? Now, as I said about the singular noun, what is singular noun? When we are talking about just one thing, that can be called as a singular noun. As I said in example, that if I am talking about one glass, and the glass is how many? Only one. So only one glass is there. So how many nouns are there? Only one. So that noun can be called as singular noun. Now, in plural noun, whenever I am talking about two or more than two things, then it can be called as plural noun. Two or more than that. यानी कि जब भी मैं एक नहीं, दो या उससे ज्यादा वस्तु के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं, तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? That will call plural noun. So what I said about this glass is only one. That's why that is a singular noun. यानी कि glass कितने हैं? सिर्फ एक. That is singular noun. Now, if suppose I have two glass, so it cannot be called as glass because how many glasses are there? There are two glasses. That is more than one. So what I say here, two or more than that can be called as plural noun. So if there are two, so what I will write? Two. First, what you can do is singular noun. You have to put singular noun, but as it is a plural noun, यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा है. कितने ग्लास हैं यहाँ पे? There are two. So we will have to add here es. यानी कि हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? We turn singular noun that is glass and turn it into plural noun that is glasses. Glasses. So the singular noun is glass, and what is the plural noun of glass? That is glasses. So what we added here? Es. So whenever we are using plural noun, we have to add es into singular noun. So what would you like to eat in summer? Is there any fruit that is seasonal that you like? Mango, right? You like mango. So if you are eating and you have only one mango, then what you will say? One mango. So only one thing is there. What is that? One mango. So what can be called this noun? It is singular because how many mango are there? Only one mango is there. So this is singular noun. Now if you have more than one mango, then how you will turn mango into plural noun? Two. Now as I say that first you can write, आप सीधा ही सिंगुलर नाउन को यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, एंड देन व्हाट वी विल हैव टू ऐड, हमको यहाँ पे क्या ऐड करना होगा? es. Remember, two mangoes, because how many are there? There are more than one mango. That's why we use singular noun and then we added es. So we added es, so now it is two mangoes. So it is plural noun. So now we understood how to make singular noun into plural noun. We have to add es. Now there are different things we have to look upon. how to change singular noun into plural nouns. So now there are different ways of turning singular noun into plural noun. यानी कि यहाँ पे कई अलग अलग तरीके हैं जिससे हमको सिंगुलर नाउन को किस में टर्न करना होगा, प्लूरल नाउन को. So the first is we have to add s into singular noun. What I said earlier, that you can just put singular noun and then add es. Now in this type we have to only add s. Remember, only s. So we have to add s into singular noun, and it will turn into what? Which type of noun? It will turn into plural noun. So if I say a monkey, okay, मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, a monkey, यानी कि there is only one monkey, so it is a singular noun. Now what we have to do, we have to add s into singular noun, so it is singular noun. So now what we have to add here, s. So if there are more than one monkey, then we have to add s. So what we will write here, monkey, as it is we can write monkey, and then we have to add s. Okay, so it became monkeys. So there are more than one monkey, there can be two, there can be more than two, so that's why we added s here and it became plural noun. Okay, now the second type is we have to add es, as I said. Now the second type is where we have to add es into what, singular noun. यहाँ पे हम क्या ऐड करेंगे, we have to add es, हम es ऐड करेंगे singular noun. So now as I said about one example, glass is only one, that's why we are calling it a singular noun. Okay? यहाँ पे ग्लास कितने हैं? यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ग्लास है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे सिर्फ ग्लास ही लिखा है. Now if we have to turn into a plural noun, what we have to do here in this type, we have to add es. So what we will add here into singular noun, we will add glasses. So what it became? It became plural noun. हमने यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या किया? What we did here, we have to add es into singular noun. So glass is only one, so we wrote only glass. And if there are more than two glasses, यानी कि एक ग्लास से ज़्यादा हो, तो what we have to do here, we have to add es into glass. So what it became last? It became glasses. So what is now it? What it is now? It is a plural noun. So now you know about how to add es and s into singular noun, and now we will learn the another type of plural noun. In the third type, we have to change f into ves. We have to, हमको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? अगर सिंगुलर नाउन को प्लूरल में चेंज करना है तो f की जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे? ves. we have to change F into V E S and so what we have to do here in this that we have to add VES instead of F. So we will remove F from the singular noun and to make it plural noun. इसको plural noun बनाने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? वहां पे VES ऐड कर देंगे, ठीक है? So the word is lift. So what we will do here, as I said, we will have to turn F into VES. So what we will have to do here? Lift is only one, so it is a singular noun. Now to make it plural noun, what we will do? We have to remove F. So we will remove F from here. So and what we will add here? Leaves. So हमने यानी कि क्या किया यहाँ पे? Leaf यानी कि एक ही पत्ता था. अब दो or more, there are more than 2 leaves. So that's why here we added VES. So it became plural noun. So remember, whenever you are making it a plural noun from singular noun, what you have to do here, whenever there is F as a last letter, you have to remove F and we have to add what? We have to add VES at the last to make it plural noun. So now all you know that how to add VES and remove F from the singular noun. Now we will learn with another type that is very difficult, but we will try to learn. हमने यहाँ पे अब तक क्या सीखा? What we learned till now, that in particular singular noun we have to add something always, but in uncommon singular nouns we will see to it that there are uncommon changes. Okay, so the first is man. यानी कि एक इंसान की बात हो रही है. So man is a singular noun because only one man is there. Now what we will do here, we cannot add S, ES or turn it into VES. So as it is an uncommon singular noun, what we did here, we have to change A into E. So it became plural noun. So how many men are there? There are more than one man. So in this type of noun, what we have to do? We have to always remember and memorize this type of noun because we cannot add likewise we did before. कि हम यहाँ पे सही तरीके से नहीं कर पाते, इसलिए हमको क्या करना पड़ता है? हमको always remember करना पड़ता है, इसको memorize करना पड़ता है, ठीक है? तो in this type of noun we have to always memorize what changes that are there and how we have to turn singular noun into plural noun. Okay? So now we will learn the last type of change, and that is we have to change. What we will do? We have to change the last letter Y into IES. So now in this type of nouns, what we have to do? हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? We have to change. हमको यहाँ पे क्या चेंज करना है? The last letter Y. किसी भी वर्ड में अगर लास्ट लेटर Y हो तो हम क्या उसको करेंगे? Y को निकाल के हमको क्या ऐड करना है यहाँ पे? IES. So if I say lady, Now if you see the spelling of this word, L A D and Y, so what is the last letter here? The last letter is Y. So what you have to do to change it into a plural noun? So this is a singular noun because only one lady is there. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही lady है. Now if you change it into a plural noun, as I said here, हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? What you have to do here? We have to change Y into ES. So what we will do here? L A D. Now हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? We have to remove Y. Plural करने के लिए, if we want to make it plural, we will have to remove Y. हमको यहाँ पे Y निकालना है और हम यहाँ पे क्या ऐड करेंगे? I E S. So what we did here? Did you understand? Now we remove I to change it into a plural noun, and what we added, हमने यहाँ पे क्या ऐड किया? इस वर्ड में L A D, Y को निकाल के I E S. So the singular noun of this word is lady, and the plural noun of this word is ladies. So we add here I E S and remove Y. So do you like strawberries? Like it, right? So if we take another word, strawberry. So this word is a singular noun, यानी कि सिर्फ एक ही स्ट्रॉबेरी है. Only one strawberry is there. Now, as we did here in the lady, and as I written it here, मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Y को निकाल के IES करना है. लेकिन कब? Only if there is Y is as the last letter. यहाँ पे वर्ड के लास्ट में अगर Y हो तो भी हमको क्या करना है? IES करना है. यहाँ पे क्या है स्पेलिंग? STROW strawberry, BERRY and then Y. So what is the last letter of this word? It is Y. So what we have to do it to change it into a plural noun? हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Plural noun बनाने के लिए इसको we have to remove I and add IES. ठीक है? So अगर आपके पास बहुत सारी स्ट्रॉबेरी हो तो आप उसको क्या बोलेंगे? स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं, स्ट्रॉबेरीज. So it became plural noun. Okay? So in the singular noun of this word, what is there as the last letter? Y. So what we have to do to make it plural noun? इसको plural बनाने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमको Y को निकाल के IES, यानी कि स्ट्रॉबेरी में से Y को निकाल दिया. अब what we have to do here? We added, हमने यहाँ पे क्या ऐड किया? We added IES. So it became strawberries. Okay? So it became a plural noun. Now at the last, as you all know about the different types of singular noun and how to change it into a plural noun, यानी कि अब आप लोगों ने सब कुछ सीख लिया है कि किस तरह सिंगुलर नाउन को प्लूरल में चेंज करना है, s ऐड करना है. Then you say how many types are there? s ऐड करना है, then es ऐड करना है, then we have to remove f and what we have to add? ves. And then हमने लास्ट में क्या सीखा? हमको क्या करना है? लास्ट लेटर y को निकाल के IS डालना है वहां. ठीक है? So now we will do short exercise. Okay? Now we will learn how to, and whenever there is a change and into singular noun, हमको जहां पे भी es ऐड करना है तब हम उसको कैसे ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। सो नाउ इफ द वर्ड इज बेंच, सो ये क्या है, इट इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन, it is a singular noun because how many bench are there, there is only one bench, so it is a singular noun। अब हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, हमको एक चीज हमेशा याद रखनी है, वो क्या है, S X C H S H। So whenever the last letters of words is same, like if there is S X, यानी कि वर्ड के लास्ट में अगर क्या हो, S हो, यानी कि अब X हो, बाद में CH हो और SH, यानी कि whenever the word ends with S X CH or SH, in this case what you have to do to make it plural, अगर ये सब लास्ट में हो तो हमको क्या करना है, सिर्फ we have to add only es, okay। So what is the spelling of this word, B E N C H, bench। So what is there at the last, CH, there is CH, right, okay। Now what you have to do here to make it plural, we have to add es, so what it became, it turned benches, so what it became, it became plural noun। Now why we added es here only, because as I said here, whenever the word ends with, यानी कि वर्ड के लास्ट में क्या हो, S X C H और SH हो, तो हमको क्या करना है, we have to add ES only, हमको क्या करना है, सिर्फ ES ऐड करना है वर्ड के लास्ट में। यहाँ पे लास्ट वर्ड एंड कैसे होता है, CS से, तो हमने क्या किया, benches only we added ES into the word to make it plural noun। अब दूसरा वर्ड देखते हैं, the next word is class। So class is only one, so it is a singular noun, okay। Now as I said, the word, what is the spelling of this word, C L A S and S। So what is the last letter of this word, लास्ट में क्या लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे इस वर्ड में, S। So यहाँ पे मैंने S लिखा है, तो what we will do here to change it into plural, we will add the same spelling, we have to write, first of all हम वही स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे जो सिंगुलर नाउन है, then we have to only add es at the last, so it became then plural noun, okay। So likewise, whenever the word ends with S X C H or SH, we have to add only es to make it plural। जब भी एंड में S X C H और SH हो, तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए we have to add es only। So what we did here, bench, the spelling of bench is B E N C H, so लास्ट में क्या आया, CH आया कि नहीं, लास्ट में, इसलिए हमने प्लूरल बनाने के लिए what we did here, we added es, हमने यहाँ पे es ऐड किया। Likewise here also, यहाँ पे भी क्लास की स्पेलिंग क्या है, C L A S and S, so लास्ट में क्या आया, लास्ट में आया S। So what we have to do here also, we have to add es to make it plural, so it became classes। So now we all know about how to, what is the meaning of nouns and what are singular and plural nouns. You can do exercise by yourself. Thank you.